expect Mr.
Judge President Selby Mbenenge is edging closer to taking the stand and giving his version of events in the landmark sexual harassment probe against him. The top judge called his third and final witness, stenographer at the Eastern Cape Division of the High Court in Makhanda, Unathi Sogoni. As Advocate Griffiths Madonsela SC led her evidence, Sogoni revealed that she was a former friend of the complainant Andiswa Mengo.
You're still friends?
Nisengabahlobo ke ukuzokuma ngoku?
Aya singabahlobo ngoku sobabini.
No, we are no longer friends, the two of us.
Why not?
Ngoba
Unobangela singabi ngabahlobo yindlela aziphatha ngayo, yindlela aphatha ngayo abantu.
the reason of us not being friends anymore, it's the way she conducts herself and the way she treats other people.
This prelude raised the question of the relevance of the stenographer who seemingly has a fractured relationship with Mengo. Following a short adjournment to examine the contents of Sogoni's statements, the tribunal reached the prima facie view that her evidence is not admissible for the purposes of the fact-finding mission. Chairperson of the tribunal, retired Judge President Bernard Ngwepe, elaborates.
We are of the view that large parts of it are hearsay evidence. That's the first point. Secondly, there is evidence on the character of a person. This is character evidence. Thirdly, the contents of these statements have not been put to the complainant when she testified. Fourthly, and this is very problematic, because of the nature of its nature, the contents of these two statements are going to cause more difficulties than that. In ordinary legal language, we say the probative value of the contents of these statements is so minimal in relation to the inquiry that we are supposed to conduct.
The evidence leader, Advocate Salome Skeepers, and Mengo's counsel, Advocate Nazreen Rajab Batlenda SC, echoed similar sentiments on the evidence, which was expected to delve into, among other things, Mengo's character and her sexual history. Madonsela charged that the evidence would deal with Mengo's understanding of power relations.
That is not hearsay evidence. This witness is going to talk about what Ms. Mengo directly said to her on that direct topic.
The tribunal, however, was not convinced and ruled that the witness may not testify on the contents of her statements, and Sogoni was subsequently excused from the hearing. Mbenenge is expected to take the stand on Monday. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.